How to redeem promo codes on starpets.gg. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you the process how you can get promo codes on StarPets. Now, let's start. Make sure to log in your account. Now, in the homepage of StarPets, click the profile icon and tap promo codes. Now, in here, we need to input promo code. To get promo code, we need to go to web browser and search for www.followchain.org/starpets-promo codes. Now in here, we can get promo codes. All you have to do is scroll down and copy this word. Then paste it into your promo code section. Then click activate promo code. As you can see here, you can select what reward you want. So we'll be selecting this random pet, then tap confirm. Now your promo code is already activated and you receive a free spin. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.